Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisset and I hope you guys can subscribe. For today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be sharing with you guys a PR box I received from STYLEVANA. It's right here. I'm going to do an unboxing and try on some of their products that I received here. If you guys don't know, STYLEVANA is an online shop that is mainly based on Korean beauty products, skincare, cosmetic, that it is very affordable and very good products. So I also have a code if you guys are interested in checking it out. I'm gonna be linking the website and the code below, but it's INF10 Lismania. So I'm going to be starting to open this. So the first thing I see here is from the brand Memebox, and it's a multi-lip crayon matte in the shade 001 Red on My Lips. Okay, here it is. So it is 4 in 1. So this is very cool. Okay, I think I already made a hole in it, but not to worry, it's good. Okay, so this is the first one. I'm going to be doing a swatch here. Wow, it's a nice light red. Okay, then look at this, how cool. The other one, which this one's like a stronger red, as you can see right here. Okay, then the other one, which is an even stronger red, right here. So this is like the different types of red, and then another one, so it goes from light to like the darkest. Right here. It feels really creamy actually, and this is perfect to take on the go because you can see you have 4 different shades right here, and you just, you know, take it. You don't need anything else. You just have these 4 shades right here. Okay, so let's keep going to other products. Ooh, okay, so it's a mini eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, this is super cute. Okay, it's from the brand CHICA Y CHICO, and then it says One Shot Eye Palette. Oh my god, it's really cute. They're like light pink and light browns. You can do like a really nice neutral shade right here, and they're all matte. As you can see here, they feel really creamy and light. So this is more for like everyday kind of look. You can see this one's a little bit darker. Then you have this one. You can barely see it. They're really light actually, but they feel really creamy. And look at this one. So that's nice. I'm going to be trying it out. Next thing I have here, which is from the brand TonyMoly, and it is in the shade Pearl Brown. I believe this is an eyeliner. Whoa, it's a gel liner. Oh wow, that is so cool. Okay, so and the price of this is $9.29. I have it right here. So it is an eyeliner, a gel eyeliner. That's cool. Okay, so and it comes with a little brush, and this was in the shade dark brown. You see here? That's cool. I really thought it was like a, you know, product for the eyebrow, but it's cool. I guess you could use it for both, you know. Let me do a little swatch. Oh wow, it feels nice. It feels really nice. And it has like a little glitter in it, actually. You can see here. Wow, okay, I'm excited to try this out, guys. I don't think I've ever used like something like this. You know, I've used the little mechanical pencil, so that's cool. Okay, next product is from the brand MACQUEEN New York, and it is a gel potent glitter liner. Okay, it's another eyeliner. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. Okay. So look at the applicator. This is gonna make it super easy to do like a eyeliner. Oh wow. and it's really light with the glitters, as you can see. It's really nice. I could actually use this as a topper. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. And then I'm gonna use the other one for the liner. Okay, it's nice. And final product I got here is from the brand Heimish. And it says Artless Perfect Cushion, SPF 50. So, and it says it's in the shade 23 Natural Beige. So I'm guessing this is like foundation. It says perfect cushion combines hydrating skincare benefits with naturally radiant coverage and light finish. So it says how to use. Press the sponge with built-in puff, take out proper quantity, then apply it along the skin texture, thin and wide. Finish with massage. Okay. Okay, whoa, okay, this packaging is really cute. And it comes like on the bottom like extra sponges. So look at this packaging, it's really nice. It's like a rose gold. So it comes, it's like a compact. It comes with the mirror. Then you have right here the little sponge, which feels really nice actually. And then down here, you have the product and everything is like sealed. Let me open it. Oh wow, look at this. It has kind of like a sponge as well. Oh my god, like you press it in and the product comes out. Whoa, this is really cool. I've never actually tried this before. So I'm excited to try this. I'm actually gonna put this in my face. Oh my god, and it feels really nice actually. It's like I believe it's like a light coverage, as you can see here. And this, I think it's gonna match me good. And then it sinks into your skin. Wow, this is really cool. I'm excited to give this a try. And on the bottom of this, actually it comes like a lot of stuff. On the bottom, it comes with, what is this? It's like a little packet. What is this? What is this? Oh my god, no. It comes with an extra, apart from the sponge, an extra like foundation thingy. Wow, this is amazing. This is really nice. So for one, for the price of one, you actually get two. Like when you run out of product in this compact that it comes with, they send you an extra one in the same packet. Whoa, this is amazing. So make sure to check out the price that I'm going to, be putting on the bottom. I'm gonna do my research and put you guys the correct price. And yeah, let's get started and try all these products. Okay, so as you can see, I already prepped my eyes. And I'm going to start with this eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to start with this light shade right here. Kind of like set everything. Now the next one, I'm going to be using this one right here for my crease. For my outer corner, I'm going to go with this shade right here, which is like a darker pink from all the other pinks that are there. On my outer corner. Now for my inner corner, I'm going to try the Jewel Poten glitter liner. So I'm just gonna try to put this on my inner corner. Actually, it's like really watery. So, but it gives a nice like glittery look to the eye. I'm not really sure about this product. It kind of is like sticky, so I don't know if it's gonna dry out, so let's wait and see if it dries out. So the next part I'm gonna try, which is from TonyMoly, that liner. I'm gonna actually use the same little brush. Okay, so I had to get a lot of product to make this show. So as you can see on the other eye that I did, it shows better than this eye because I was trying to go like little just to try it out. But you do have to go in deep there so the actual product can work. Okay. As you can see, again, the glitter actually dried out. The little glitter potion, it dried out, but you can't really tell that much. I guess it's just for like a little sparkle to show, but you can't really see it. I don't know if it's like on my skin, you can barely tell. But the liner, I actually liked it because it's you just have to go in deep there, not like, don't be afraid to go in deep, you know. And it dries out fast, and it is like it has like a little like shimmer, like kind of like the metallic look. So I'm going to start now with the foundation. You can see here. So this is, it kind of has like a little sponge, and when you press it in, the product comes out. So that's really cool. I've never seen anything like that. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a try. Kind of scared. Okay, the product. It kind of has like a light scent to it as well. Yeah, it is a really like light coverage. I'm like trying to build it in, but this is actually perfect for the no makeup kind of days. Going to go off camera and finish this whole look so I could try these lippies. Okay guys, now that I have the rest of my face on, I'm going to try the last product, which is the lipsticks, and I'm going to be trying the lighter shade that actually matches with this look. I think the second one, yeah, this one right here. I'm going to try it. Okay, it's really nice color. I'll take a little here. It is pigmented, and I like that it's that bright color, perfect for summer, and it's very creamy. It does not dry up. Like, it still feels like good on the lips, like very hydrating. So it's really nice. And oh my god, this is really cool idea to have 4 in 1. Like, who doesn't like that? And you could actually take it anywhere on your purse and just put it. You're like, you don't feel this color? Okay, let me just put the other color. So that's pretty cool. As you can see, my face kind of feels a little hydrated because of the foundation, or yeah. So it does have a scent. The scent is like SPF, kind of like not that strong, but you do feel it. Like, you feel the scent that it has, you know, like if you have the sunscreen on. The what other product I tried? Well, it is light covered, so it's not like gonna cover all your imperfections right away, but it kind of like builds it up a little bit, but it's still light, you know. So it's perfect for those no makeup days, like I was saying. What else? The other product, the eyeshadow palette, is really light. It's not pigmented, but it is perfect for, again, the no makeup days look. Very natural and soft. It's not very pigmented. It's just really light, but it's nice to have and to just, you know, use it for like an everyday look, you know. What other product? The glitter, little lip liner glitter. It did dry up. It dried up, It's nice to have. You want to like that little sparkle in your eyes, but not so much, so that's kind of nice. But it's not a product that I'm gonna personally use every day because I'm not into that. But if you are, then hey, feel free. It's really nice to have. And the next product, the eyeliner, the brown eyeliner, I really like it. That it applies nice. You do have to go in deep to show the color to see the pigmentation, but it's when it dries up, it's kind of like a metallic shade, so it's really nice. And yeah, I think that's it. I covered all the products I received, so I'm very thankful for STYLEVANA to sending me these products for me to try out and give my honest review on it. And thank you very much for keeping me, in your list to keep trying these products. So I hope you guys like my review as well. I hope you guys like some of these products, if not all. And please make sure to check them out. They have like an amazing array of products. They have skincare, amazing skincare, and you know that K-beauty, Korean beauty is one of the best skincare they have, that produces. And make sure to check it out. They're very affordable and their shipping is really fast, so no problem with that. And make sure to use my coupon. You get 10 to 15% off if there's anything you like. I really like this, actually, the concept, the whole concept, and how cool that it comes with two. You get 2-in-1 products, so that's really nice. And that's it for this video. I hope you like it. Let me know if you guys want to see more of my PR unboxing and try on of the products. So thank you guys so much for supporting me through this journey. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.